I want to get my Frosty on. Yeah. I'm not funny. Hey guys, it's me Becca and welcome back to my channel. So, before we start this video, I'm just going to address, the elephant in the room. Yes, it's been a while since I've been in front of the camera and done one of my cooking videos. But, sometimes, they say, life happens while you're planning. And I just need to take some time, regroup. And now I'm back, and that's just all there is to the story, really. And I appreciate every single person who reached out to me with love and support and just, made sure that everything was okay. I don't think anybody understood how much that really meant. And it's why I'm back here today filming another video. And I promise, pinky promise, I will not take 6 months again. And let's just get into it. I've got a copycat for you guys today. Okay guys, so today's recipe is the Wendy's chocolate frosty. Let's take a moment to just feel that, because is there something more delicious in this world than a Wendy's chocolate frosty? I don't know. I don't think so. And I mean, sometimes you just want a frosty. So do you really want to go all the way to Wendy's for a frosty? Of course not. So what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you guys this quick and easy way with all you need is a blender and a few items in your freezer and pantry, and you're going to satisfy your cravings just like that. Okay, the ingredients that you will need are vanilla ice cream. I chose the extra creamy vanilla from Breyers. Next, just some good old whole milk. Cool Whip. I chose, again, the extra creamy. Some chocolate Nesquik, the powdered form. Okay, guys, so the first step is you want to go ahead and get 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. Next, you want to get a 1/3 cup of milk. Okay, and now you want 5 teaspoons of Nesquik. Alright, so you needed 5 teaspoons of Nesquik. And now I think this is really what gives it that flavor, in my opinion. But you need about, start off with 3 tablespoons of Cool Whip. I have a 1/2 tablespoon, so I have to do more. This is literally the hardest part of this. And now, you're looking for consistency. We're gonna start blending it up. Okay guys, and I'm just gonna open up and mix everything around. Start looking for that frosty, like, it smells just like a frosty. All right guys, so I mixed it and I'm just gonna give it a few more, just looking for that consistency of a frosty. And if at any point yours starts to get a little watery, just add some more ice cream or add some more Cool Whip. Let's keep going. Perfect. Okay guys, now it's perfect. We're gonna go ahead and put it on a plate. This is a frosty. We're gonna put it in a cup. We're gonna cup it. That sounds wrong. You know what? Let's just go ahead and eat our frosty. We're gonna pour it in a cup. Let's go. Okay guys, and now for the taste test, which is my favorite part of every video. Got him again, guys. This is just like Wendy's. Another one. Oh my god, this tastes just like a frosty. I would have ever imagined it takes like literally like 4 ingredients to make this thing. But the only problem is that, oh my, I feel like I have stuff on my face. But the only problem now is that this made me want a side chicken sandwich really bad. But man, you guys really need to try this one. It's super simple. You probably have all these things already inside your house. And it literally is the same thing. Like, it's thick in the center. Then it has all like that watery juice in the middle. It's super creamy, and it's that taste that from the frosty comes from the Cool Whip. Like the Cool Whip gives it its taste. I don't want to put this down. 1 second. This is everything. Overall, I have to say this is one of my favorite recipes because A, it takes like no effort. B, it makes like no dirty dishes because if you use plastic cups, all you have to clean that blender, and there's like the trick to clean the blender. And second of all, like, who doesn't love a Wendy's frosty? Like, if you ever have a burger night inside your house, like at home, like a burger night, and you added this as a dessert, it would be like 10 times and more better. it'd be 10 times better. Yeah. Still don't know how to talk. Anyways, overall, I mean, I drank all of mine. Make it at home. Let me know what you think, because this is like Wendy's. What did you see? Wendy's wanted you to think it was more to a Frosty, but there's not. You literally probably have everything inside your house as we speak, and there's no need for you to spend that extra money. The Frosty money, keep it in your pockets. Especially because the little Frosties, the ones that are cheap. I mean, yeah, it's 99 cents, but I mean that thing is tiny. Like, I want a big Frosty. I want to get my Frosty on. Yeah. And of course, you know, be nice in the comment section. I know this video might be a little choppy, a little rusty, because I haven't done one in a while. But I mean, I showed you guys how to make Frosties. You're welcome. We're all cool here. We're all friends. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave any comments down below. I'll see you guys next time. See you next week. Nope. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. Next week. Yeah, we're doing it. Next week. New food. Yummy. Bye.